Once we found Sean's Instagram, that was enough inspiration.
Right then we knew that we wanted to go with him.
Grill islands can be expensive if you don't have a plan. Thanks to Techo-Bloc's Contractor Support Manual, I have step-by-step, row-by-row details. We spent about an hour in the office pre-planning a cut. One cut saved us 4 hours in the field. Using Edge Ghost technology gives your client a consistent perspective on the project's progress.
Oh my gosh, so cool to see the progression.
No more pushing wheelbarrows, it's a power barrel. Tracked equipment, all conditions, all terrain. Value design doesn't mean go cheap. It means designing around the parameters of the product. By cutting half pieces, we can reduce the amount of waste. Efficiency takes planning. Plan to succeed or chaos and fail. And failure's not an option. Our team, our families depend on us.